We got ourselves a Plymouth Voyager here. It is a very interesting colored green. It's not a green I've seen before. It's not the light green. It's not the dark green. It is a 1999 Plymouth Voyager Rust Special. It is a 4-door Voyager. That's it. Yeah. What's the paint code on here? What are you? 199. Is it on this sticker? Or is it on the other sticker? I'm pretty sure it's on this sticker. Am I blind, guys? Oh, PGT. PGT. We got some work being had here. Somebody's got the cluster out of it looks like. It is a short wheelbase, obviously. The cluster's missing, so I don't know if it had a tack necessarily, but I bet you it did, because it has power locks, power windows, power mirrors, the usual. So that's most likely got a tack. Had a tack. Looks like in July of 2020, it had roughly 130,000 miles on it. Steering wheel vaguely agrees with that. Parking brake pedal's got some wear in it. Not a smoker per se. That's not in good shape. Same cassette only radio that the 2000 had at East Bethel. We are actually at Rosemount now. I made the old trip both ways. Looks like we've got some 15-inch Plymouth hubcaps here. I see nothing in there. What do we got down here? I see a tape. What is this? Understanding your minivan integrated child seats. Yes, it does. It has the integrated child belt seats for a bench. Okay, that's cool. Let me get back here. Yeah. What is this? I think this is also silver fern. I get lucky and I get 2 silver ferns in a row. Yeah, this has got these. So the way these work is these flip down and you have child seats here. Isn't that cool? So instead of getting like a carriage, I think you just use these. Or like, what do you call those? Like a booster seat. It is a short wheelbase, so we've got a 3rd row bench tucked in back here. And it looks like they've got the middle bench pushed back and the 3rd row pushed forward to get some storage, which is currently being used for nothing. This has got the optional cigarette tray in here, but it's also, this is silver mist. So they've got a silver mist ashtray and a silver fern vehicle. Don't know if that was intentional or not. I see a quarter and a penny. Yeah. What do we got? I see a bunch of paperwork under here that somebody looks like has already been through, so I'm going to go through it. So I'm going to set you off to the side here in case I accidentally show some important stuff. I think this is a matchbox. We're going to set that over there. Sam's Club. So probably Sam's Club tires, it looks like. Insurance and auto wallet. Isn't that fancy? Minnesota and Bloomington. 99 Voyager SEEX. Blah, blah, blah. Coon Rapids. Oh, that's a cap card. Let me grab on that without showing you. Is this the original cap card? Nope. This is the plates for September of 2000. It may or may not be the original. Oh, that's cool. Tires. I got an invoice for the original owners from 2004. They charged the AC system, so it lost an AC charge. That cost them $143. And what else we got in here? We've got another invoice. This one is from 2006. Changed the brake pads, front calipers, service calipers, install new pads. So front brakes for $266. Then we've got another one from 2005. Service the transmission. Does this thing tell me how many miles it's got on it in here? They just write it down. I don't think they put the mileage here. Oh, yeah, they did. So in 2004, let me look again. It had 52,000 in 2004. I'm going to have to blur that out or something. That's unfortunate. 2004, it had 52,000. In 2005, it had 60,000. And then in 2006, it had 80,000. And in December of 2006, it had new Sensatrack shocks and struts put in, and a sway bar kit. It had an alignment, so it had all new front suspension put in it in 2006. And I've got another invoice. Oh, this one's from 2004. This said 53,000. New tires. That's cool. Minnesota Historical Society thing. Case of an accident. Blah, blah, blah. Sylvania light bulbs. Nice. Okay. Anyway, a bunch of paperwork. It had maintenance by the original owner. That was cool. So, another one of these ashtrays that are the wrong color. That's also cool. So, looks like on the outside we've got a really rusty door. We've got paint matched handles. And we've got a PG8 rear hatch. This is the dark green with a custom spoiler. So this is a darker color green. This is like my color green that I'm looking for. This says it's a Grand Voyager SE. It's not. So yeah, this is a replacement unit here. It's got a cracked grommet as per usual. I love the custom spoiler. That's amazing. Yep, she's pretty rusty. Rusty. What do we got going on down here? More rust. New muffler at some point, it looks like. So, allegedly, these are Sensatrack struts here. It's got two 1565 R15 wheels on it. It's got all of the plastics up under here still. Isn't that cool? I don't know, what do we got under the hood? It's got a green grill to go with it. Paint matched grill. If I get the hood open. And apparently we've got a 3.3 liter V6 under the hood. I got two iffy strut towers. What else do we got going on? Good new valve cover gaskets. It's got the captive valve covers on it. Looks pretty clean. Doesn't look like it burns oil. So, those heads, see the color of the head versus the intake? So I got new heads on it. Yeah, look at the color of the heads versus the intake. And then the head versus the rest of the engine. I think it's had heads done on it recently. Yeah, that's interesting. It's definitely had heads done because it's got manifold gaskets on it, aftermarket gaskets. They're just crushed together from factory. So it's got new heads on it. Good to know. I'm pretty sure, I'll have to look here, but I'm pretty sure these receipts said it had a 3.0 under the hood. Yeah, these tags all say it had a 3.0 under the hood, guys. So did somebody swap in a 3.3 or did somebody mess up? Yeah, these all say it's got a 3.0 under the hood. That's weird. Anyway, it does in fact have a 3.3 V6 under the hood. So that might have been an engine swap and upgrade. Yeah, that's weird. But this all says 3.3 and 3.8, so I think the paperwork's wrong. Alright. Well, that's pretty cool. Anyway, there's our light green, light-ish green Plymouth Voyager.